Hey YouTube, at you again with another video. Like I promised on the last one, I was going to show you guys the wheels and tires installed on the pickup truck on the Silverado. I'm not sure if the tire company will let me film in the back over there, as one of those major chain tire companies. So, you know, they have policies and stuff. So I do what I can when I get there. But that being said, let's get started and get on the way. We're gonna do a little road test. Right now, these Pirellis, I can't hear them. I mean, they sound just like the factory wheels. They're very quiet. Can't hear anything. Now that I got them on, I just wanted to make sure I can get up to 75 or somewhere in that range, just to make sure I don't have any vibrations or anything. Make sure they're good and balanced. All right. 70, 75, yeah, they're good. I mean, I don't plan on be doing 100 miles an hour on this thing, but they feel good. They're not stiff at all. Actually, they feel a little bouncy. I thought with the low profile 20s, because the ones I had on the end before were 18, so they had a little bit more meat on them. I thought with less meat it'd be a little bit more of a harder ride, but it feels just about the same as the factory ones. So I'm very happy. No road noise, as you can hear. You don't hear anything. So, all right. Okay, so the road test turned out pretty good. We're back at the house now. That way I can give you a better look around the vehicle, see what they look like installed on the truck. So here it goes. They turned out pretty well. These are the Pirelli All Terrain Plus 275 60/20s. Basically translates out to 33 by 10s with the 20-inch rim. I wanted a rim where it was kind of see-through, where you could see the calipers, because I painted the calipers, as you can see in there. These tires were different. Nobody was running them. It was brand new by Pirelli, so I wanted to give those a try. They still run about the same price as all of the others, so, but I like the sidewall design on them, so I wanted to get something different. Once again, you can see the calipers in there. Yeah. With the negative 18 offset, I'm getting about 1 inch poke out on the sides. It's not that much, which is perfect. That's what I wanted. So that's 20 by 10, negative 18 offset. With these, you do not need a spacer in the front on the for the calipers. Since you have that negative 18 offset, you got that concave deep design, and that clears the calipers in the front, so it's perfect. You don't need the spacers. The only issue I had was a little bit of rub back there. It's just a tiny little bit. But I think with the design of the wheels, they curve over. Like from here, it's just like it's a curve. So you don't get that, some tires that come straight out to the edge and drop straight down. Since I got that curve in it like that, it's less rubbing. It's just a tiny bit. Only if you like really hold the steering wheel really hard, it'll rub. But these are 10 wides, and I know a lot of people are running like the 12 wides. And if I had 12 wides, then yeah, these would be rubbing like crazy. Okay, for a quick recap, I have a 2.5-inch leveling kit on the front by MotoFab. That allows me to fit a larger diameter tire underneath the front there. I was running a 31 from the factory, and those are 33. The tires, like I said, they're 33 by 10s. The size is 275 60/20s. Like I said, those are by Pirelli. Those are the All Terrain Plus. That's new by Pirelli. They just brought those out, so I wanted a little something different than what everybody else was running. The wheels are a 20 by 10 with a -18 offset. Those are by KMC. Those are the XD 841s. They call them the Boneyards. The truck build is coming along pretty well. Only thing left to get now is the Flowmaster exhaust, the American Thunder system, the catback system. I think that's going to be the last thing on my list. And once I get those, I'll let you guys know. I'll post a video, do the whole installation and all that kind of stuff, so let you see how that goes. Once again, thank you guys for checking out my videos. Hit like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks.